I'll guide you through how to claim a whopping $7,500 from AT&T and get your share of the $177 million data breach settlement. If you're looking to find out if you're eligible for compensation from the AT&T data breach, or you want to file a claim and need to claim your AT&T settlement, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here are the best ways to claim your AT&T settlement payment. This is a $177 million settlement for AT&T customers whose data was compromised in two separate data breaches, one in 2022, 2023, and another in March 2024. Eligible customers could receive up to $7,500 in compensation. While the settlement is still awaiting final court approval, you can file a claim now. You should have received an email from the settlement administrator, Kroll Settlement Administration, with the subject line AT&T Data Incident Settlement and sent from the email address attsettlement@eemailksa.com. This email contains your unique class member ID, which is required to file a claim online. If you did not receive an email but believe you are eligible, you can call the claims administrator at 833-890-4930 to find out more. That is 833-890-4930. The deadline to submit a claim is November 18th, 2025. You can file your claim online at the official settlement website, telecomdatasettlement.com. You will need to provide your class member ID. You may also be able to claim documented losses, so be prepared to provide proof, such as receipts for identity theft services or other related costs. You have two options to make a claim. 1. You can submit the form online directly through the website. You can also print and mail the completed form to the following address. It must be postmarked by November 18th, 2025. AT&T Data Incident Settlement, COO, Kroll Settlement Administration, LLC, P.O. Box 5324, New York, NY 101542. Now that you've learned how to claim the AT&T settlement, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more mobile service provider video tutorials. Thanks for watching.